All is well. At least that's the message that Navjot Singh Sidhu and Amrinder Singh have tried hard to send out as they sat next to each other. But there was clearly one winner between the two warring Sardars. Sidhu emerging victorious because it was written all over his face and because he wanted to then have his ambition fulfilled and the promise that came out being fulfilled by the Congress High Command. Here's a report now on the much talked about coronation ceremony, the Taj Poshi of Navjot Singh Sidhu.
It's the end of the War of the Sardars. With this gesture, Navjot Singh Sidhu and Captain Amrinder Singh have sent out a resounding message that they've buried the hatchet. But while one Sardar is pumped and excited, the other is sober and conciliatory. After months of public attacks, Navjot Singh Sidhu and Captain Amrinder Singh shared the stage. No true bonhomie on display, but rather a message of acceptance and tolerance. The Punjab Chief Minister, who so far adamantly demanded an apology from Sidhu, has seemingly conceded to the High Command's decision. While sharing the stage with Sidhu, Captain Amrinder declared that he and Sidhu will work together.
नवजोत जी क्योंकि तुसी कारोबार सारे पंजाब दा तुसी अगले साडे पार्टी दा चलाउणा है जदों सोनिया जी ने मैनू दस्सिया कि असी नवजोत सिद्धू नूं बनाउणा चाहते हैं मैं उस दिन ही उन्हां नूं बाहर आके प्रेस नूं कहा सी कि जो साडे कांग्रेस प्रेजिडेंट दा फैसला होगा ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਿਰ ਝੁਕਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਔਰ ਆਪਣੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਲੜਾਈ ਲੜਾਂਗੇ ਔਰ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਰੱਖਾਂਗੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ
There was also interestingly no praise for Sidhu, but Amrinder did recall some personal anecdotes.
मैं जब 1970 ਚ ਫੌਜ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ ਆਇਆ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਦੋਂ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਮਦਰ ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ पॉलिटिक्स अपना कदम चक्को मैं क्या मैनू तो कोई पॉलिटिक्स है तो पता ही नहीं है कहने नहीं कोई तुम सरदार भगवंत सिंह जाके मिलो तो मेरा ख्याल पता नहीं किन्नियां बैठक असीं कीतियां उन्होंने मैंने इन्हां दे घर च या मेरे घर च और इन्होंने मैनू कदम सियासत विच वो लेके आए
Sidhu felt no need to strike a conciliatory note, emerging the winner of the power tussle and with 100% backing from the Gandhis. With Preeti Chaudhary and Manjeet Sehgal, Bureau Report, India Today.
So as the newly appointed Punjab Congress chief, Navjot Singh Sidhu is promising to deliver real change for the party and in the state. But there is an irony here, and the irony is that people in his own constituency of Amritsar East believe he has been an absentee MLA and contributed nothing for Amritsar. Manjeet Sehgal, my colleague, with this ground report. Take a look.
A full-blown poster war. Punjab da captain versus Sara Punjab Sidhu Naal. The Amrinder versus Sidhu fight rages on, and while the captain wants action to be taken against his bête noire, it was the Punjab Chief Minister who made Sidhu a first-time entrant, a cabinet minister in 2017. Many senior Congress party MLAs were ignored to placate Sidhu, who remained dissatisfied through 4 years of his stint as an MLA and a Punjab minister. Navjot Singh Sidhu was inducted as a cabinet minister on March 16, 2017. He remained a minister for just 27 months and resigned on June 10, 2019, after his portfolio was divested as his performance, according to the chief minister, was not up to the mark. Sidhu ultimately resigned as a minister and remained absent from his constituency and assembly for the next 1.5 years. During this time, he neither attended the Punjab Assembly nor met the people of his constituency. As an elected representative, you can imagine the message that's sent out. Sidhu claims to be fighting for a new Punjab, but hasn't been able to bring about any real change in Amritsar East. With poor roads, heaps of garbage, the constituency is crying for development.
ਵੋਟ ਕਿਹਨੂੰ ਪਾਈ ਸੀ 4.5 ਸਾਲ ਪਹਿਲੇ
सिद्धू नाल
ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ
नहीं भाजी कुछ नहीं किया लॉकडाउन में भी कोई सहायता नहीं की
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਕਾਫੀ ਟਾਈਮ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਨੂੰ ਬਸ ਇਹ ਉਦੋਂ ਹੀ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਵੋਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਪਰ ਵੋਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਵੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਮੋਟੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਖੜੇ ਹੋਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਉਹੀ ਬਸ ਵਿਖਦੇ ਆ
ਦੇਖੋ ਜੀ ਵਿਕਾਸ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਤੇ ਦੂਰ ਰਹਿ ਗਈ ਆ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਇਲਾਕੇ 'ਚ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਪੈਰ ਤੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾਇਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ
From a sports star, Sidhu became a missing poster boy. Not only as a Congress MLA, but Sidhu was also targeted when he was a parliamentarian. His opponents even announced a reward. The missing posters also emerged in Rasulpur Kalar area, where 59 people died after a train ran into a crowd of Dussehra revelers on October the 19th, 2018. Sidhu had promised to adopt the families who had lost their breadwinners. The state government had, however, provided jobs to only 34 of the 59 affected families. The opposition also targeted Navjot Singh Sidhu for being absent from his constituency during the pandemic. The other charge against Sidhu is that he's simply power hungry. Chief Minister Amrinder Singh has gone on record to say that Sidhu wanted a deputy chief minister's post with a home portfolio. Sidhu also allegedly has been eyeing the Punjab Congress Committee chief's post. Posters in Patiala speak volumes about his political ambitions. Despite the anti-incumbency against the Congress, the over-ambitious Navjot Singh Sidhu has added to the woes of his own government and party. His personal differences with the chief minister have cost his constituents, who are now feeling very ignored. With Manjeet Sehgal, Bureau Report, India Today.
Now, Navjot Singh Sidhu's professional career has been a roller coaster ride as much as his personal life. There was, remember, a swashbuckling cricketer to a fiery commentator. Sidhu and controversies have often gone hand in hand. But after he retired from the cricket pitch, he then returned as a judge, even for a comedy series, his full-throated laugh becoming so popular in the households. But while that laugh reverberated across television screens, he lost that spot on TV too after the controversy in Pakistan, where he decided to hug the army chief there, and that had upset the captain in Punjab too.
Sidhu is back in the news for his high-voltage rebellion against sitting Punjab Chief Minister Amarinder Singh. His attacks have opened the floodgates in a party unit that was largely intact, causing a massive headache. From cricketer to comedian to rebel against the captain. In the aftermath of the Pulwama terror attack in 2019, Sidhu's bizarre decision to lock the Pakistan army chief in a Jadoo ki Jhappi backfired badly, costing him both his TV stint as well as a huge amount of public goodwill. Running parallel to the roller coaster of his life in showbiz was a political career that saw its own dramatic swings. He joined the BJP in 2004, elected as the party's MP from Amritsar.
जो लोग हिंदुस्तान के कहते हैं वही परमात्मा की आवाज है, और परमात्मा की आवाज इस बार चाहती है कि लाल किले के ऊपर झंडा नरेंद्र भाई मोदी फहराए.
In 2006, Sidhu was accused in a homicide case and sentenced to 3 years in prison, forcing him to resign from his Lok Sabha seat, only to be acquitted days later. In 2007, he was re-elected to the Lok Sabha.
महोदया, क्या सूरज को प्रमाण देने की जरूरत है कि उसमें तेज है? क्या उसका प्रकाश प्रमाण नहीं है कि उसमें तेज है?
In 2014, he went into a sulk after Arun Jaitley was made to stand from Amritsar. In 2016, just 4 months into a consolation seat in the Rajya Sabha, he quit the BJP. Attempts to join Arvind Kejriwal's AAP went nowhere, forcing him to briefly pitch out on his own. He launched a party, Awaz-e-Punjab, flanked by former hockey great and close friend Pargat Singh. But that would prove to be a placeholder before he secured himself a place in the Congress in 2017, declaring himself a born congressman. His war against Punjab Chief Minister began shortly thereafter. Bureau Report, India Today.
The two may have declared a truce for now, but Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu have shared an acrimonious relationship, remember, since 2017. What happened then? The cricketer politician had embraced Pakistan's Army Chief General Qamar Bajwa in Pakistan and then even calling Rahul Gandhi as his real captain, not Captain Amrinder Singh. That is when, since the relationship between the two Sardars turned bitter, even in public. Take a look at the background of this journey.
Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu have been at daggers drawn since 2017. It is said that Captain Amrinder Singh was not happy with the way the BJP leader Navjot Singh Sidhu was inducted in the Congress party just before the assembly elections in 2017. Despite the opposition from senior Congress legislators, Captain Amrinder Singh, under pressure from the Congress High Command, gave a cabinet berth to Sidhu. But cracks emerged when Sidhu tried to bargain for Deputy Chief Minister's post along with home portfolio by using his closeness to the Gandhi siblings. Captain refused to budge. The rift became public after Sidhu went to Pakistan against the wishes of his captain in 2018. Sidhu's hug for then Pakistani Army Chief General Bajwa had Amrinder Singh fuming.
How can it be that every day somebody is being shot, and whether the man who pulled the trigger is to blame or the man who gives the order, which is the chief, and the chief is Mr. General Bajwa. And to say that I don't know General Bajwa, but यहाँ लिखा होता है उनके ट्यूनिक के ऊपर, that's wrong. And I think that was wrong for him to have shown the affection he did for the Pakistani Army Chief.
3 months later, Captain Amrinder Singh opposed Sidhu's second visit to Pakistan.
I told him, I said, you know, I have taken this stand, and this is what is in the larger interest of my state, and I think you should also reconsider your position. He said, I've already accepted the invitation. I said, well, then you can always tell them that now my Chief Minister has taken this stand, so I wish to, I will not be coming. But he has decided to go.
It was then that Sidhu declared that Amrinder Singh was not his captain.
अरे मेरे कैप्टन राहुल गांधी हैं, उन्होंने तो भेजा है हर जगह. क्या बात कर रहे हो यार? कौन से कैप्टन की बात कर रहे हो यार? हाँ, ओ कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह जी की, वो तो आर्मी के कैप्टन है भाई. मेरा कैप्टन राहुल गांधी साहब है.
At the backdrop of the sacrilege case, Sidhu opened a new front against the captain. It was the first time that the cricketer turned politician publicly accused the Punjab Chief Minister of being hand in glove with the Akalis. It is said that Sidhu was divested of his portfolio after he challenged captain's authority.
जिथे 25 पैसे पैने सी सिद्धू ने 25 पैसे पाए, जिथे 30 पैसे पाने सी उथे 30 पाए. वर्ल्ड बैंक तो लैके एक एक चीज़ नाल लिया के खड़ी की. लेकिन मैं तो कदे किसी ते उंगल चुकी नहीं, ना मैं कदे शिकायत की थी, ना ही मेरी फितरत है. चलो जे कोई उन्होंने ये लगता है यह जी गल है तो वो उन्होंने मर्जी है, महाबदौलत.
There has to be some discipline in the organization, and in this discipline, I have decided after seeing the performance of our ministers, I have shifted them around. Where I thought somebody is good in a particular job, I have given him that job. And here I thought power is an important thing for Punjab, one of our most important things. And I gave it to Sidhu, but he didn't want it. So I said, no, once a decision has been taken, you can't say I will take this and I will not take that. I mean, it's like some general saying, I'm not going to get posted to Ladakh, send me to Manipur.
Captain Amrinder Singh has not said a word about Navjot Singh Sidhu's recent outbursts against him, but he is believed to have told the Congress High Command that Sidhu had crossed all limits this time. The face-off has now reached a point of no return. With Manjeet Sehgal and Kamaljeet Sandhu, Bureau Report, India Today.